I can never find a parking space after lunch.
Who is this guy? When overwhelmed with danger.
Wow, what's that?
It's Pokemon Evolution.
Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another GTI video. Today we're doing something to complement the exterior of the car, things that we've done in the front and the rear. I'm talking Aerofabb. We've got a big Aerofabb box here, and the garage is currently hovering at about 90 degrees, so it almost feels like summer. But you guys know we have the Aerofabb rear spoiler extension, and most recently we did the Aerofabb front splitter kit. This is the V2, it's a little bit less aggressive. So need something for the sides. We've got just that right over here. We have the Aerofabb side splitters for Mk7 7.5 GTI, and it comes with some pretty basic instructions. It looks pretty easy to do. We're just going to be drilling some holes, mounting some screws into the side splitters, and they should complement the exterior, just adding a little bit more of a flare on the outside edge. And then hopefully whenever they get the rear diffuser back in stock, Aerofabb, if you're watching this, let me know when the rear diffuser is in. I will order one right away to get the complete Aerofabb kit for the exterior of the car. So with that, we need to jack up the car because I won't be able to fit my drill underneath it or a screwdriver. So I'm gonna jack up the car, do one side first, just so I can, like most of the time when I do a modification that involves two parts, I do one side first or one part first, and then I film the other side so I can film it a little faster. I don't use up memory cards and batteries and stuff, and I know what I'm doing, so I don't show you guys like mistakes or something. I make mistakes on one side and I can fix those on the other. So that is the process of the second side. I'll show you the finished product, and then that'll be it. So if you are new to the channel, be sure you go down below, hit that subscribe button, and thanks so much for joining again. Let's get started. Hope you guys enjoy. So here it is. We've got both of these side splitters on, and they look really, really good. Quality stuff from Aerofabb, as expected. So the exterior of the car is really getting kind of Miata. Like, I mean, I guess I have a style, but I like the way these look. Definitely adds just a little bit of an extension. It's probably 1.5 inches, maybe 2 inches. So it's subtle, but it works, it looks good, and in person, it's a lot easier to see in person because your eyes can pick out the shades of shadows and everything, and in camera it looks a little flat, but in person looks awesome. So I'm super happy with the way this turned out. Rear diffuser has to be next. I mean, I need to get it now so everything matches, because it's gonna drive me crazy that the car is not like complete. And once this is done, I don't have a ton of other plans for the exterior. A few things like wrapping the roof, and as I normally do, I always search for new things. So if I see something I like, I'll probably end up picking it up. But I'm really liking how this is looking, just sleek, daily, subtle. It's exactly what I wanted in this car, because it is the daily driver and everything. And don't want to look too flashy, but this adds just enough flair for me. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Super easy install. Pick them up by Aerofabb. They're the company that makes the side splitters, front splitter. I mean, they make a bunch of stuff for the Golf and Audi platform. So thanks so much for checking out the video. Be sure you go down below, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments below, and I will see you in the next video.